Recently I'm getting many questions on my Patreon page, especially when you are contacting me and you are asking me, is Bitcoin bull run over or is Bitcoin bull market over? And in this video I'm going to answer you this question, and this will be pure my opinion, what I think about Bitcoin market. And for those who are new to Crypto Bull channel, guys, and if you are interested in my low cap cryptocurrency picks, you can join my Patreon. All links to my Patreon page will be in description and in first comment of this video. But currently, as you know, and as I have been telling you already for about 4 or 5 days on my Patreon page, so as we created videos on my Crypto Bull channel, that I think that Bitcoin bull market is not over yet. In this video I'm going to show you what I'm seeing in charts right now and why I think that Bitcoin is pulling back. If we go in trading view and if we look at S&P 500, and if you don't know what is S&P 500, then those are traditional markets. S&P 500, it is the basket of blue chip companies, and currently, as you can see, it has a pullback, and the pullback is 18%, which is very huge. And to my opinion, guys, this is one of factors why Bitcoin has started this pullback. If you want quick answer and you don't want to continue watching these videos, then to my opinion, Bitcoin bull run is not over yet. But for those who are interested in more detailed explanation and my opinion, then keep watching this video. And in traditional markets, if you are new to trading, then you should know that 21% would be considered as start of bear market, but as you see, it is still 18.2% in traditional markets. So this means that still there is no bear market in traditional markets. It is just one major pullback in S&P 500, or also it is known as SPY. So now let's have a look at CME, or Chicago Mercantile Exchange. This exchange is also trading from Sunday till Friday evening. It has stopped at price 46,325, and usually markets are tending on Saturday's evening or to Monday morning. Bitcoin price is always tending to return to this price. But currently, if we look at Bitcoin price currently is 45,000, but Bitcoin already has pulled back to $43,677. However, like I mentioned, to my opinion, bull market is not over yet, because even if you look at charts, you also have to know that if charts are making higher highs and higher lows, which we can clearly see here on the charts, this was higher high, then this was higher high, and this was higher high. And if we look at lows, then this was also higher low, and currently we are just making higher low. And you can't expect that markets will always be going just up and will not do any pullback. The bigger will be run, it will have a bigger pullback. And if you have been around here in 2017, then you should know that we had pullbacks as high as 40%, guys, or 39% to be precise. But if we will take a measurement, for example, of this pullback which we are having right now, for example, let's take from the top and let's measure till the bottom, and you can see that currently we had only 25.4% pullback, and we are not even close to 39%, which we were doing these pullbacks back in 2017. But if we will measure, for example, previous pullback, which we just had from 40,000, when we reached 40,000, that pullback was 31%. That pullback was bigger than we are having right now, guys. And yes, guys, to my opinion, we are still in the bull market because we are making higher highs and we are making higher lows. Already 5 days ago, like I mentioned on my Patreon, I already was warning you guys that I am expecting that Bitcoin is doing a pullback, and sometimes you are making more or you are earning more if you are sitting on the sidelines. And another question which I'm getting asked by my patrons from cryptocurrencies which we have invested, on crypto coins which we have invested, and which I have been calling out on my Patreon, or low cap market coins, whether you should sell or whether you should wait. In regards to this question, you have to make your own decisions what you are doing. But in this video I'm going to tell you what I am doing. I am not selling anything. I am just waiting what is going to happen, because I still have free money to buy in lower. And like I mentioned yesterday already at 45,000 I started scaling into the markets, and I already bought 25% of my free assets also in cryptocurrencies, and I use these pullbacks which we are seeing right now. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. On CoinMarketCap you can clearly see that there are discounted prices. All these prices which are in red currently for all different top cryptocurrencies, you can buy them at discounted prices. One of those cryptocurrencies which I want to get in, and I want to get badly in more, it is Polygon, and this used to be Matic. I believe that this cryptocurrency will be in price range from $3 to $5 in this bull market. Currently, if you are using Ethereum blockchain, you are paying huge transaction fees, and Polygon is layer 2 solution on Ethereum blockchain where dApps can be built, guys. And for example, instead of $40 or $100 for transaction fees, if you would want to pay, for example, you would have to pay much less. You, instead of those $40 to $100 for transaction, you would have to pay only a couple of pennies maybe, or $1 for your transaction if they build their dApps on Polygon. That's why I think that Polygon Matic will be really very big, guys. And currently, if you are using, for example, Uniswap is also looking to build a layer 2 solution, so people who are using Uniswap, they don't have to pay these crazy transaction fees. You never know, guys, because they might also decide to implement Polygon Matic layer 2 solution, and you can imagine only what will happen if, for example, Uniswap will decide to implement or build on Polygon Matic. This will explode this price. As we can see here on this chart, we are currently in a daily chart. Like I was already telling you in my previous videos, that I am trading Heikin-Ashi candles, because on Heikin-Ashi candles I can clearly see what trend is currently in the market, and the higher is the time frame, the stronger is the price action, and we can see clearer what is happening in the market. And currently we can clearly see that market is breaking down. First thing was this 50 level on RSI. I told you guys that if this line on RSI will break this 50 level, which I have outlined it there myself, then this means that we should be bearish. However, as you remember at the start of this video, I talked about CME futures. Currently price is $44,800, but I told you guys that on Monday this price tends to pull back to the CME price, and on CME futures chart the price is 46,000. So at the end of Sunday's evening, this is pretty much today, when the CME market will open, price could start pulling back to 46,000, but currently it is, as you can see, still very bearish, and it is going down. So guys, as you remember from my previous videos about Bitcoin price, I was telling you that if there is no wicks to the upside, this means that there is still strong downtrend. And you can clearly see that this very last candle here on Bitcoin daily chart, it still doesn't have any wick to the upside, and we are still seeing here by candle size, because candle size on, if you are trading Heikin-Ashi candles, guys, it is showing you the strength of the trend, and we can see clearly that this trend is very strong to the downside still, and it is still not turning around. And you might start become bullish only when next candles, for example for tomorrow, will start showing the wicks to the upside, or if this will turn into the green candle, and only in that scenario I will start becoming bullish for Bitcoin. But currently I'm still okay. I'm scaling in, like I said, guys. I'm trying to get more different cryptocurrencies, where one of them are Matic, Polygon, another, as I already told you, is Basic Attention Token. Currently it costs only 49 cents, and to my opinion this is also very undervalued, because this cryptocurrency is available on Coinbase, it is available on Binance, and it's circulating supply 1,489,000,000, and all of these tokens are in circulation. This means that there no further dumps can be dumped, or so no more tokens can be dumped on us, guys. So this is already a realistic price, which you can see here on Basic Attention Token. And I know, guys, that many of you are currently standing on the sidelines and you don't know what to do. You are thinking of selling your cryptocurrencies, where I would recommend, or I can't recommend you anything, guys, but I'm not selling anything. I'm not selling my altcoins, because I have been here not once, guys, and I know that you don't sell when markets are red. You are buying when markets are red, and that's the mentality of us human, guys, that we want to sell when we are seeing that we are losing, for example, something, or when we are losing or markets are going down. But this is actually the time when we should be buying, not selling what we are having, because this is discounted prices, and when prices will start going up, guys, then this will make all of us happy, because the prices will go up rather rapidly. And another question which I'm getting asked is how low I think that Bitcoin price could go. So to my opinion, Bitcoin price could go to 38,000 minimum. This is like the lowest point it could go, and after that, even if it will go, most likely if the Bitcoin price will go to 38,000, that will not be a candle, that will not be a strong candle, but that will be most likely a wick where it will go down and then it will go up. I am not really worried about anything. I'm standing on the sidelines, and like I said guys, whenever you are trading, whenever you are investing, you always should have some money, free money, which you can invest in these types of markets which you are seeing right now guys. And you should take, if you are new to trading, new to investing, you should take this scenario which you are seeing right now in the markets guys as a lesson, as an education for yourself, because for future you will know that you should have always free money for these circumstances. Because if you are scaling into markets and markets are bullish and prices are going up, then you are okay. But if you don't have spare money for these scenarios which are right now, and they will happen always guys, because markets are kind of breathing, they are going up and down, up and down. If you look here guys, the markets are going up and down all the time. This is happening guys. However, this is not a bearish market, and this is the main message which I want to send. And like I said, it could go down to 39, up to 39%. So let's make a clear measurement. What would be the price at 39% if it would pull back 39%? So let's go here guys, 39%, that would be 35,000. But actually I don't think that we will get to 35,000, or even if we will go to 35,000, that will be some wick in the chart, but that will not be major drop or strong candle, because there are already, as you know yourself guys, many people who wants to get Bitcoin even at 40,000, and even if it will come less, there will be a lots of buyers. And that's the main mentality which you should understand guys, that if Bitcoin price already have gone to 58,000, then here at 40,000 and under 40,000 there is already buyers, a lots of buyers who would wish to get into the market, or who would wish to get Bitcoin lower than 40,000, and who are waiting even right now to get Bitcoin less than 40,000. So as they have placed already orders, or they have opened orders on Binance exchange for example, just in case Bitcoin will wick down under 40,000, and there is already a lot of buy orders. And that's why I think that Bitcoin will not go lower than 38,000, and even if it will get to 38,000 to destroy long positions, that will be only a wick which will destroy long positions, and after that Bitcoin price will continue upwards. To my vision, we will go something like this guys, and we will continue to the upside. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, share your projects as always in description of this video. So as in my next video, maybe I will create it today also, I will be doing a review on one of cryptocurrencies which were asked by many of you on my Patreon page, which is Tron TRX, and we will go through what is Tron, and I will give you my price prediction on Tron TRX. So yes guys, if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.